Okay, next we're going to go how to troubleshoot. There will be a couple times that the machine will alarm, one of them being high CO2. If you get the alarm that says high CO2, that means that we need to change our soda sorb. That's a pretty easy fix. You're going to go ahead and just remove the B chamber door here. You want to wear gloves and a mask because the soda lime is carcinogenic and you don't want to inhale it and you don't want it to get any of it on your skin. You're going to go ahead and take this tray out, dump it out into the trash, and then you're going to refill it, ideally right up to the top of the line, and fill the entire tray with soda sorb, with some new soda sorb. Go ahead and put that back in there, and then your CO2 should start to go down. If it doesn't go down, then it could be that the soda sorb is expired and you need to get a new batch. If you get the alarm that the CO2 sensor is having difficulty reading, it'll say CO2 sensor error, and oftentimes the CO2 will say 0. If that's the case, it could be a problem with the CO2 sensor. The CO2 sensor is this little white box that's right here. Oftentimes, all you need to do is just tap on it. Sometimes there's dust particles that get collected up in there, and it's just difficult for it to sense. Wait a minute, and oftentimes you'll get numbers. Once you get numbers, your CO2 sensor is working just fine. If you continue to have it not reading after tapping onto it, it could be a problem with the cord, in which case you want to turn off the machine and let leadership know that there is an issue with the CO2. If you are getting low oxygen concentration, first thing you want to do is make sure that your flow meter is on. Next, you want to make sure that your set point is where you want it. If those things are both on, I would then recalibrate the machine, which we went over in a different video. If you recalibrate it and you're still getting issues with the oxygen getting to where you want it, you could have a leak, or we could be having a problem with the solenoid valve in the machine, in which case I would go ahead and switch the patient to a different machine and let leadership know. And that's it for troubleshooting.